G'day, I'm Mrs. Dow, and welcome to Mrs. Dow's Art Room. Here's today's lesson. Today is alphabet drawings, A to P. Now, if you don't have lined paper already, you might like to find a ruler or a straight edge and rule a few lines down your page. We might need maybe 2 A4 pages worth of lines for this activity. We'll do half the alphabet on each, and we're going to be focusing on our capital letters today. First is A, so we go down, lift, and across. We're turning our A into a little house. We need 2 vertical lines, a horizontal line at the bottom, 2 more horizontal lines in the roof, a rectangle for the door, and a square for the window. We'll add some curved, bumpy lines inside the roof, and then an angled step at the front. Now we do our B. We go down, lift, around, and around. We're going to add another line beside our B that's curved at the top and bottom, a backwards B, some lines down the centre, do a line inside each section of the B, and a circle in each, and then a little face. Next is C. We just curve around to draw our C. We're going to continue our curve to make a circle, add lines at the top, bottom, sides, and 2 in between each, 2 big eyes, some eyebrows, circles inside the eyes. You can colour those in a bit if you like. And then a nice happy smile, and we have a little sun. Next is D. We go down, lift, and around. We're going to turn our page sideways for this one. Add some bumps at the bottom, a curved line that curves back up, little bump at the top, and 2 lines to make an umbrella. Now for the E. We go down, lift, cross, lift, cross, lift, cross. Turning our page this way this time, we're going to add an angled line from this side, a same angled line from that side, a nice straight horizontal line, then a curved at the top, and 1 more shorter line at the bottom, so it looks like a 3D chair. We'll add some cross hatching in the seat, a horizontal line, and some cross hatching in the back of the chair too. We're up to F. We go down, lift, cross, cross. This one's being turned into a fish. So we'll add 2 lines that point at the end, a triangle connected with a wavy line. We'll turn the centre of the F into a fin, a curved line at the front, a bigger curve at the bottom there, and then join them with a smile. Add a big eye and some triangles at the top and bottom for extra fins. The lines add some extra detail. Let's also colour in the eye, leaving a little shiny spot. Now for G. We go around and up, lift and cross. We'll turn the page again for this one. Continue on this line. Make the stem a bit longer. Add some leaves. And maybe a little curved line at the bottom of the stem. And we have an apple. Now let's write the letter H. We'll go down, lift, and cross. This is one of my favourites, a pencil. We make a triangle at the top, some curved lines in the middle, and at the top there. Couple more curved lines at the bottom. Some horizontal and vertical lines, and then a nice squiggly one coming out the top so it looks like a pencil. We're up to the letter I. We go down, lift, cross, lift, and cross. I love finding ladybugs in my garden, so let's add a small curved line at the top. 2 half circles for eyes, some antenna. Then we'll do 2 big half circles for the body. Down here at the bottom of the eye, we'll do a bit of a triangle shape and then some spots on its back. We'll colour in that triangle, make it look a bit more like the wings of the ladybug, and then the head as well. Oh yes, we can't forget the spots of the ladybug. Better do those too. Time for the letter J. Let's go down and around, lift and cross. Good. We're turning this one into a jellyfish, so we'll do a bubbly line up above the J. We'll add some really cool eyes, circles looking up or down, whichever way you like, a side smile, and then we're going to follow the line of the J at the bottom with a nice thick curved line, and we'll add a few more of these wavy curvy lines out the bottom for the tentacles. How cute. We'll make our K another underwater creature. To draw a K, we go down, lift, down and down. We're going to add a curved line at the back here and a pointed line at the front to form our fish. We'll add some wavy S lines at the top and bottom for flowing fins, a smile and an eye. We'll add another triangle shape just like the back one with some lines in and some lines for our tail. Maybe some bubbles for this one too. In this case, L is for lion. We'll go down and cross to write our L. Then we're going to go back up, add a curved line at the top, 2 little C shapes for ears, some eyes here, and colour the circles inside too. Then we're going to do the nose and mouth. So we'll draw a Y, curve the top for the nose, and add a nice curve at the bottom for a smile. We need a couple of whiskers on each side, and then a big cloud shape around the whole head for the lion's mane. Now the letter M. We go down, and then down, up, down. Add a circle in the centre and then go up and down from the bottom. We'll add a curved line or 2 out from there. Do those lines again just a little bit further away and then add a point to join the bottom for our ribbon. At N we write down, then lift, go back to the top and then down and up. Turn our page for this one. We're going to go up and curve back around for a bump, straight across for a little bit, then curve down and go up. We'll then join that tail back around to the bottom of the N. Add 2 bumps for eyes, some spikes down the back. We'll add 2 circle shapes at the bottom for legs and some spikes for the feet. Circle for the nose and some nice sharp teeth. Might colour the eyes in there too. Let's turn our page back around for the letter O. We go around in a nice big circle. We'll turn this one into a hot air balloon. So we'll draw a small square underneath, join those two up, add a curved smile line in the centre, go one line straight down the middle of our circle and two curved lines, one on each side. Add some little triangles for flags around the balloon and some crossing lines for the basket. Now for the letter P. We go down, lift and around. We'll turn our page now and create a person. A little bump on the top, two curved lines in the hat, a curved line for the face and some spiky hair out the side. That's all for the first half of our alphabet drawings. I hope you've had fun today and I'll see you next time to finish the rest.